What's up, guys? It's been a little bit since I got you guys kind of blog what's going on with the hot sauce. I'm gonna clear his throat. Fuck. Down here in sunny California, where it's nice, I see why people live down here. I need to move down here. Anyway, what's going on with it? So I've been breaking belts left and right. I can put a belt on. It's like a 40-inch belt for the alternator relocation kit on the Whipple, and I can go out and let it idle for 10-15 minutes, and it's fine. I can do a cruise, and it's fine. I seem to do a hit or two, and I break. So everyone asks me, where did I get the drawn renders of my car? Well, check no further than PJR Studios. I'll have a link in my description. He's done some amazing work for me. He can do some amazing work for you. Simply hit him up through his website or his IG. It's kind of 2 or 3 ribs in. My only guess is that it's possibly the alternator, and what leads me to that is originally the alternator was the issue, that it basically broke off from the timing cover and slammed into the side of the car. I would suspect that probably during that point, you know, granted I was right in the burnout box, and then a hard launch at 5,000 RPMs, and right off the hit it fell on its face, and then the alternator was disconnected. I'm gonna guess because it's missing the top bolt and living its best life on that one bottom bolt, that it just finally, I'm guessing, pulled it maybe over to the side as it kept stretching with the belt wrap. That's the only thing that I could think. So my goal is to try to get that replaced. I ordered the alternator, I ordered a new belt. I actually ordered 2. I ordered a standard Gates belt, and then I ordered a Fleet Runner. So I'll put the one belt on for brakes, I'll put the Fleet Runner on. Both are under warranty, so I keep breaking them. I'll just keep replacing them, but I like to get it fixed. So the alternator piece for the crank cover is brand new. The pulley that goes between it, the tensioner, that's brand new. So last thing is the alternator. So I hope that's it, man, because if not, I mean, either I can give the car to somebody to have them look at, which I really don't want to do, or I can go with the 10 rib kit piece of this and remove that tensioner and remove the alternator and replace it with the 10 rib piece. I don't really want to do that either, but we'll see. I'm gonna post this video because it's kind of what's been going on, so hopefully we'll figure it out. If not, I'll go back to the drawing board, but I got plenty of time. This when I get back from Florida Christmas Eve, it's supposed to be cold as shit, but the following week between Christmas and New Year's is actually supposed to warm up to about 50 degrees. So I'm hoping New Year's weekend I can get the alternator in, get it tested and going, and hopefully that's what it is, guys. But if it's not, yeah, sound off what you think what it is and let me know, guys. But it's kind of what I got for you guys, man. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good day, man. See ya.